In this video, you will learn how to configure FileZilla Pro to use Amazon S3 transfer acceleration. Open the S3 Providers configuration. Choose Amazon S3 Provider from the provider list. Enter Amazon Acceleration endpoint address. Click on OK to save your changes. Now go to the Site Manager to create or edit a site. Enter your credentials. Now go to the S3 tab. Enable Acceleration Transfer. Click on the Connect button. Go to the Remote Directory. To download the file, just double-click on it. Please note that FileZilla Pro uses the accelerated endpoint to download the file. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.